5-day Marine Base training camp. I want to thank Colonel Manuel Bundang for hosting Sherwin here. When you look at a place to come train with no distractions, a little cross between, a really serious training camp and then a very nice, relaxing one after you're done working out. Also, we wanted to announce this will be Jerwin's first fight under ABS CBN. We worked with other networks in the past, but we believe the reach of ABS CBN is the biggest and best in the Philippines. They also go worldwide with their telecast. And this fight May 4th in Stockton really is a fight for Sherwin that the last couple fights didn't go exactly right. Sometimes styles, certain guys try to steal fights, not win fights. But he came out winning, came out with the draw. So we're looking forward to this fight. Jerwin right now is the longest reigning super flyweight champion. He has 6 defenses. This will be number 7. And Stockton, California, working with Top Rank, ESPN. We've got to thank again Senator Manny Pacquiao for everything he's helped with. My partner on the end, Jobin Sports. No one works harder for their fighters. I think that shows with what he's done with Jerwin, what he's been able to do with other guys from the survival camp. And of course, we have to thank Wild Filipinas for always sponsoring all the boxers from the Philippines. So we look forward to a great fight, and I'll turn it back over to Sir Mark.
Thank you so much, international matchmaker, Sir Sean Gibbons. And now we would like to hear from Sir Mike Salvador. Mike Salvador.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for coming here. It's my honor to be with our IBF World Champion Jerwin Ancajas. Of course, our international matchmaker of Top Rank, Sir Sean, and Colonel Bundang, and Coach, and all the medias are here. Yeah, we wish all the best for Jerwin's fight this coming May 4. And we're still confident that Jerwin will win. He's still our champion, and he will make his name again in the boxing ring this coming May 4 at Stockton, California. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Sir Mike Salvador. Now let us hear from the commander of this Marine base here in Ternate, Cavite, Colonel Bondang, who helped Jerwin with this training camp. A round of applause, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. In behalf of the Flag Officer in Command Philippine Navy, Rear Admiral Empedrad, and the Commandant of the Philippine Marine Corps, Major General Pareño, I would like to welcome you all here in Marine Barracks, Gregorio Lim. Not all of you knows that Jerwin actually is one of our own. He is a reservist in the Philippine Navy with the rank of Chief Petty Officer. So the our Flag Officer in Command, Admiral Robert Empedrad, offered this Marine base to be his training camp. So Jerwin, good luck on your defense, and we know your Navy family is in full support of you during this training. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Colonel Bongdat. And now let us hear from Jerwin Ancajas nutrition coach, Miss Jeanette Aro.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. It is actually a privilege and an honor to be here and to be part of Team Ancajas. My presence here, as a registered nutritionist dietitian is actually a statement, that even though Jerwin is already a great athlete, the team sought help pa din to be better, and gusto talaga nilang i-defend yung title. Kita-kita natin yung grit, dito sa pagdepensa nila ng title na ito. So, isang aspeto na gusto talaga nilang ma-improve is yung nutrition ni Jerwin. So, nagpapasalamat ako na ako yung napili nila na maging kaparte ng Team Ancajas. So, thank you very much, and good afternoon to everyone.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jeanette Ago. Okay, so, all right, now let us hear it from the champion himself, the IBF World Super Flyweight Champion, Jerwin the Pretty Boy Angahas.
Salamat po. Magandang hapon po sa lahat. Unang-una po nagpapasalamat po ako sa Panginoon po na nandito tayo ngayon sa press con na to. Umabot tayo dito ngayon kahit na malalayo din po sa pinanggalingan natin. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyong lahat na nandito kayo sa bilang pagsuporta po itong darating na laban po. Unang-una po nagpapasalamat po ako lalo na kay Vice Admiral Robert E. M. Pedrad, Flag Officer in Command, Philippine Navy, Major General Alvin Pareño po, Command, Philippine Marine, at saka lalo na kay Sir Colonel Manuel Bunag po na siya yung nagmamahala dito na sobrang support po sa amin dito kung ano mang kailangan namin sa team, nandyan po sila sir, nag-aabot po kung anong may tutulong. At sa team ko po, maraming salamat po sa suporta. Nagpapasalamat po talaga ako sa inyo, sir. Kakala ko ngayong ngayong araw na to ay konti lang mga pupunta. Di ko inasahan na ganito pala yung kadami po, marami po kayong pumunta dito. Lalo na po, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa laging nagbibigay sa akin ng mga magandang laban po, si Sir Sean, na siya yung pili po na siya pala yung daan na kung ano ako nabot ko ngayon. Nandyan po sila Sir Sean, yung family niya nandito, nagpapasalamatan ko din po. At saka kay Coach Jubin po na palagi nandyan sa training, maraming salamat po ulit sa inyo, sir.
Thank you so much, IBF World Super Flyweight Champion Jerwin Angahas. Before we open up the table for questions, we would like to hear also from the man himself, Coach Joven Jimenez.
Outcast Sports covering Jerwin Angahas press con. Joven Jimenez, the most popular guy, I guess.
Magandang hapon po sa lahat.
Malakas pa yung palakpak kay Jerry.
Hindi ako makatulog kasi iniisip ko kung paano yung kakainin natin ngayon eh. Di bali po, nakahuli kami kaninang umaga dyan, madaling araw yung mga kasamahan ko, nanghuli sila ng mga isda dyan. Yun lang po pagsasalo-saluhan natin mamaya. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga media at lahat ng sumusuporta kay Jerwin, lalo na kay Sir Sean. Kung wala Sir Sean, wala din kami. Si Sir Mike, grabe, 24 hours si Sir Mike, kahit anong oras tawagan, nandyan siya para tumulong. Tapos sa Vice Admiral Robert A. Pedrad, AP, siya po yung Flag Officer in Command sa Navy po. Siya po talaga, grabe yung suporta. Anytime kung ano